Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to create a shareable link for photo in your Google Drive without any storage. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Drive right here. So after you open up your Drive, go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on this new right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you first of all create a new folder if the photo has to do with multiple photos. Go ahead and click on new folder right here. I think click on new folder. This is going to pump up. Then you can give it a name. So I'm going to call this one. I'm going to name this graduation photo. Okay. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on create. Now we have successfully created a folder. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and see how we can import all the image into the folder that we just created. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and go back to home page right here in my Drive. So on getting to home page, this is where I'll be able to see the folder that we just created. So go ahead and look for it. Few more. Or better still, we can easily search for the name of the folder right here, which is graduation. So this is the folder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open the folder. You can see now that the folder has nothing. Now, how can we bring in all the image into this particular folder? There are so many ways by which you can do that. We can easily bring out the photo from the Explorer right here. So you can select all the photo as much as possible right here. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to select this. Press Ctrl key down, select this. Press Ctrl key down and select this. Then once you select as many as possible photo you want to add into the folder, drag it right here and drop. Boom. And then allow the file to be successfully uploaded onto the folder in the Drive right here. So after successful upload, we can easily come to the address bar, press Ctrl R to refresh. Now we have it in this particular folder right here. Next thing we want to do right here is to go back to the home page in our Drive. Just like so, then the one we can have the folder right here. So you can see the image preview. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the folder. Once you click on the folder, you need to make sure you click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on share. Then from share, go ahead and make sure you click on share right here again. And this is going to pump up right here. Then go ahead and click on restrict. Make sure you switch to anyone with the link. So once you are done, go ahead and click on done right here. And the next thing you want to do is to get the link to the particular image. So the next thing you want to do is to come back to the top right here. Simply click on this copy link right here. Boom. And you can send the link to anyone that you want them to have access to the photo in your Google Drive without restricting. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.